Welcome back, cleaning enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of sparkling floors and shining surfaces. If you're tired of the traditional mop and bucket routine and looking to upgrade your cleaning game, you've come to the right place. Get ready as we count down the top 5 best floor cleaning spin mop and bucket systems on the market. Number 5. Mikau Spin Mop Bucket Floor Cleaning System. The Spin Mop Bucket System is a remarkable addition to the world of cleaning tools. As a third-party user, I was highly impressed with the efficiency and convenience it brought to my floor cleaning routine. One of the standout features of this mop bucket system is its impressive design and build quality. The materials used are of high quality, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The compact size of the bucket makes it easy to store, while the built-in wheels provide excellent mobility around the house. Additionally, the adjustable handle caters to users of varying heights, ensuring a comfortable mopping experience without straining the back. The 360 spinning mop head is undoubtedly the star of the show. Its smooth gliding action effortlessly reaches every corner and crevice of the floor. Constructed with microfiber material, the mop head effectively traps dirt, dust, and spills, leaving the floors impeccably clean. The added benefit of the machine-washable mop head makes maintenance a breeze. What sets the Mikau Spin Mop Bucket System apart is its hands-free wringing mechanism. With a simple foot pedal press, the mop head spins and wrings out excess water, eliminating the need for manual effort. This feature not only saves time and energy but also ensures the mop head is properly wrung out, preventing streaks and water spots on the floor. Moreover, the gentle wringing mechanism prolongs the mop head's lifespan. Another thoughtful addition to this system is the built-in splash guard in the mop bucket. This ingenious feature prevents water from splashing out during the wringing process, keeping the surrounding area clean and dry. It proves particularly useful when mopping in confined spaces or near furniture, reducing the risk of accidental spills. The versatility of the Mikau Spin Mop Bucket System is worth mentioning. It can be effectively used on various surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. The adjustable mop handle and the 360-degree swivel feature allow for easy maneuverability around furniture and obstacles. Although a highly commendable cleaning tool, one minor drawback is its suitability for larger areas. While the mop head size is perfect for regular household cleaning, extensive floor spaces may require more frequent rinsing of the mop head. In conclusion, the Mikau Spin Mop Bucket System has surpassed expectations in terms of efficiency and effectiveness. Its robust construction, hands-free wringing mechanism, and versatile design make it an excellent investment for anyone seeking a hassle-free and efficient mop bucket system. As a third-party user, I wholeheartedly recommend this product to anyone in need of a reliable and convenient cleaning solution for their floors. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 4. Spitzero by Milton Prime Extendable Handle and Stainless Steel Wringer Spin Mop Bucket on Wheel Set. The Spitzero Wringer Spin Mop was recently purchased and has proven to be a valuable addition to the cleaning routine. Designed to simplify the mopping process, this mop set delivers on its promises, making it a worthy investment. One of the standout features is the extendable handle, which allows users to adjust its length according to their preference. This feature accommodates individuals of varying heights, ensuring a comfortable grip during cleaning tasks. The handle is constructed with durability in mind and offers a solid hold. The extension and retraction mechanism works smoothly, and the handle locks securely into place, eliminating any wobbling. The stainless steel wringer is another notable aspect of this set. Crafted from high-quality materials, it boasts excellent corrosion resistance and durability. The wringer mechanism efficiently squeezes out excess water from the mop, leaving it damp but not overly saturated. This feature contributes to faster drying times on the floors, which is a definite advantage. The inclusion of wheels on the mop bucket is a game changer. It enables effortless movement from one room to another, particularly when dealing with larger spaces. The wheels glide smoothly on various floor surfaces, allowing users to maneuver effortlessly around furniture and obstacles. The bucket itself has a decent capacity, and the built-in handle on the side ensures convenient lifting and emptying. The mop head included in the set is of commendable quality. Attaching and removing it is a simple process. The mop effectively picks up dirt and grime, and its microfiber material is gentle on different types of flooring, including tiles, laminate, and hardwood. Users will appreciate that the mop head is machine washable, facilitating easy cleaning and maintenance. While the Spitzero mop set is generally impressive, a couple of minor drawbacks are worth noting. Firstly, the absence of a spout on the bucket for easy pouring of dirty water is a slight inconvenience. Users have to lift the bucket or use a separate container for emptying purposes. Secondly, when fully extended, the mop handle could be a touch sturdier, as it tends to flex slightly when extra pressure is applied during mopping. In conclusion, the Spitzero by Milton Prime Extendable Handle and Stainless Steel Wringer Spin Mop Bucket on Wheels set is an exceptional cleaning tool that streamlines the mopping process. Its durable and adjustable handle, efficient rear, and convenient rolling bucket provide valuable benefits. Although minor flaws exist, they do not overshadow the overall performance and convenience offered by this mop set. For anyone seeking an effective and user-friendly mop system for their household or workspace, this product comes highly recommended. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 3. Masthom 2-in-1 Cleaning and Drying Spin Mop and Bucket Set. The Masthom Spin Mop is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. This versatile cleaning tool combines a spin mop and a bucket, providing a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining pristine floors. The standout feature of this product is its clever 2-in-1 design. With the Masthom set, you have both a mop and a bucket in a compact unit, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning items and saving valuable storage space. This streamlined approach makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you to tackle your floors with ease. The spin mop itself is highly effective in removing dirt and grime from various surfaces. Its microfiber mop head effortlessly attracts and traps dust and debris, ensuring a thorough cleaning every time. The mop glides smoothly across different floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate, leaving no streaks or residue behind. The built-in spinning mechanism takes the functionality of this set to the next level. With a simple press of the foot pedal, you can effortlessly spin the mop head to remove excess water. This feature not only enhances the mop's efficiency but also reduces drying time significantly. Whether you need to quickly clean up a spill or have limited time for your floors to dry, the Masthom set has got you covered. The bucket itself is thoughtfully designed with a sturdy handle and a compact size. This makes it easy to carry around while you clean. The bucket's splash guard prevents water from splashing out during the spinning process, ensuring a mess-free experience. Plus, the convenient drainage plug allows for easy emptying without the need to lift or tilt the bucket. Cleaning the mop after use is a breeze. The detachable mop head can be quickly removed and thrown into the washing machine, saving you time and effort. The Masthom set's durable construction ensures its longevity, even with frequent use. In conclusion, the Masthom 2-in-1 Cleaning and Drying Spin Mop and Bucket Set offers a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining sparkling floors. With its 2-in-1 design, effective spin mop, and user-friendly features, it has become an essential tool in streamlining my cleaning routine. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning companion, I highly recommend giving the Masthom set a try. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 2. Master Top Easy Ring Foot Pedal Spin Mop and Bucket with Ringer Set. The Master Top Spin Mop has proven to be a game-changer in the world of cleaning for many customers. This innovative mop and bucket system has made the task of mopping floors a breeze. Here's why this product receives high praise. The foot pedal spin feature has been particularly praised by users, as it allows for effortless ringing of the mop head without the need for hands or excessive effort. With a simple press of the pedal, the ringer spins the mop head, effectively removing excess water and ensuring that floors dry faster. Customers find this feature convenient and hygienic, as it keeps their hands clean throughout the cleaning process. The Master Top Spin Mop and Bucket Set boasts a sturdy build and is constructed from high-quality materials. Users have expressed satisfaction with the durability and stability of the product. The adjustable mop handle adds to the convenience, allowing users to find the perfect height for comfortable cleaning. The bucket, equipped with a strong handle and stable base, prevents any accidental spills. The mop head is also well designed, efficiently picking up dirt and grime, resulting in spotless floors. The 360-degree rotating head has been highly appreciated by customers, as it facilitates cleaning in hard-to-reach areas, such as corners and under furniture. The swiveling action of the mop head ensures easy maneuverability around obstacles, allowing for thorough cleaning without strain or the need to constantly move furniture around. This versatile feature has been commended for its ability to clean every nook and cranny of the home effectively. Customers have found the Master Top Spin Mop and Bucket Set to be convenient and user-friendly. Assembly is straightforward, and clear instructions are provided for easy setup. The large capacity of the bucket allows for cleaning significant areas without the need for frequent refills. Additionally, the detachable mop head makes cleaning and maintenance hassle-free. The effectiveness of the Master Top Spin Mop and Bucket Set in achieving clean floors has been a highlight for users. The mop head successfully picks up dust, dirt, and spills from various floor surfaces, including hardwood, tiles, and laminate. Customers have expressed satisfaction with the cleaning results, which save them time and effort compared to traditional mopping methods. In conclusion, the Master Top Easy Ring Foot Pedal Spin Mop and Bucket with Ringer Set are highly recommended for any household looking to simplify their cleaning tasks and achieve sparkling clean floors with minimal effort. Its innovative foot pedal spin, sturdy build, convenient features, and effective cleaning results make it a standout product. Customers have found that cleaning has become much less of a chore with this spin mop and bucket set, and they wholeheartedly endorse it for its ability to deliver outstanding results effortlessly. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. Up next, Number 1. Pull-the 306 Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. The Pull-the 306 Spin Mop, accompanied by 3 microfiber mop refills, has proven to be a game-changer in the cleaning routine of many. This innovative mop system has surpassed expectations in terms of efficiency, user-friendliness, and overall cleaning performance. The 306 Spin feature of the mop has received rave reviews for its remarkable maneuverability. It effortlessly glides around furniture, corners, and tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning of every nook and cranny. Users have found the swivel action to be exceptionally smooth, allowing for a seamless cleaning experience without any strain on the wrists or arms. The mop bucket, equipped with a built-in wringer, has garnered significant praise. Its inclusion eliminates the need for excessive bending, squeezing, or wringing by hand. With a simple push of the foot pedal, the wringer efficiently removes excess water from the mop head, leaving it damp and perfectly prepared for mopping. This not only saves time but also prevents the floor from becoming overly wet, resulting in quicker drying times. The set's microfiber mop refills have impressed users with their exceptional quality. They exhibit high absorbency and effectively trap dust, dirt, and grime. Users appreciate the fact that the refills are machine washable, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Furthermore, the inclusion of 3 refills has proven to be more than sufficient for regular cleaning needs, alleviating the need for immediate replacements. Assembling and maintaining the Pull-the 306 Spin Mop and Bucket set has been a breeze for users. The instructions provided are clear and concise, facilitating quick and effortless setup. The mop handle's adjustable length caters to individuals of various heights, enhancing usability. The bucket itself is well designed, featuring a sturdy handle and a convenient water outlet for easy emptying. The durability of the Pull-the 306 Spin Mop and Bucket set has garnered significant appreciation. The usage of high-quality materials ensures its long-lasting performance even with regular use. The secure mop head attachment mechanism exhibits no signs of wear or tear, assuring users of its reliability over time. In conclusion, the Pull-the 306 Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer set has proven to be an exceptional cleaning tool that simplifies and enhances the cleaning routine. Its 306 spin feature, efficient wringer, and high-quality microfiber mop refills make it a must-have for any household. With its durability and user-friendly design, this mop set comes highly recommended for those seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. If you want to order this wonderful product, click on the link given in the description of the video. That concludes our countdown of the top 5 best floor cleaning spin mop and bucket systems. Whether you're a cleaning aficionado or just looking to upgrade your cleaning routine, these exceptional products will help you achieve spotless floors with minimal effort. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more cleaning tips and product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!